My heart's gonna fly through my chest.
You're gonna be crying out loud.
I'm gonna be fully honest with you guys. The first time I met Tanisha, she was doing her absolute best to get Quinn's attention. She tried so hard, she actually ran him over on the ski hill on purpose. And trust me, she wasn't a beginner skier either.
Tanisha came back just telling me how much fun she had and how they were just laughing the entire day long.
I even came home that day and told mom and dad that Quinn has found his forever girl, and she's absolutely amazing.
We've been joking for many years. We could hardly wait for this day, because when Hunter come home saying that Quinn met the girl of his dreams on the hill, this is the one he's gonna marry, we thought, thank God. She's his problem. He's off our hands.
Officially.
Today it's official.
I knew you were the one from the earliest stages of our relationship. Our time together has been one happy journey. I was always a happy man prior, but I was always searching for the next thing to be excited for or happy about. Not with you. You keep me full of love and happiness at the most fundamental levels of joy to life. It is so surreal you're going to be my wife. Like, if you think the last 5 years have been fun, just wait till you see what I have in store for the next 50 and beyond. I love you, Tanisha. I know with all of my heart that this is the right choice. See you at 3 o'clock. The groom, soon to be husband.
Quinn. Wow. The day has finally come. It's been an interesting year to say the least, but I couldn't imagine spending it with anyone else. I always dreamt of my wedding, and like any little girl, and I don't think I ever dreamt it with a person as credible as you. Someone I respect and love beyond words. You're my best friend. And today, you'll become my husband. Today as I walk down that aisle towards you, I know it's the best decision I've ever made. You're my everything, and I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you. Love, Princess, your very soon-to-be wife. Quinn, from the first day that you came to my house with a bouquet of flowers, I knew my life would never be short. A surprise, excitement, laughs without end, and utmost happiness.
I vow to you, Tanisha, my everything, that I will love you forever. I will be the man you fell in love with until the day I die.
You motivate me to succeed and to be a better version of myself. It hasn't always been easy, especially living provinces apart. But you make it worth it every single day.
It's your passion, and caring, and how you're willing to open anyone into your arms as your own family. It's that motherly quality that made me fall in love with you.
Quinn, I can't wait to grow old with you and to tell our kids how their crazy mother ran over their father on his ski hill so many moons ago.
I will stand tall and proud of every decision you make, but I will be straightforward and honest with you when you're wrong. But it's not often, so you don't have to worry much. But I will be by your side. Together, we can overcome and accomplish anything. I promise to make you smile and laugh until you're old and wrinkly.
I will strive to love you better each and every day as your best friend and as your wife. Forever and always.
Oh man, when do I get to kiss you? I give you this ring
As a sign of my love and faithfulness.
Quinn and Tanisha, by their promises before God and in the presence of this assembly, have bound themselves to one another as husband and wife. Those whom God has joined together, let no one separate. Thanks be to God. Amen. You may kiss the bride. It is my honor and my delight to present to you Mr. Quinn and Mrs. Tanisha Bumbois.
These two passionate souls are most definitely better together than apart. Their dedication to each other over a long-distance relationship while she does her schooling, their passion for travel and camping together, their thrill of buying Corvettes together. Oh, well, maybe not that one. But her tolerance of Quinn buying a Corvette shows dedication and love.
Welcomed me as one of their own, as their own son, as their own brother.
I quickly gained another little brother Hunter and 2 more parents. Family is so incredibly important to Quinn and I, and Holly and Neil have led by great example on how we want to grow our own family.
I'll take the lesson of open arms and hospitality from your family as we start our own.
Who's more stubborn?
That's a lie. Come on!
Oh, you're eating cake tonight. You're eating cake tonight.
We made MC today the best decision of all time.
Making us their MCs.
Are you looking at my hand? I'm not looking at your hand.
Our job here is to welcome Tanisha into the family, and I think the best way to do it is Tanisha, you know, welcome into the family. Holly, we're done.
We are both looking so forward to seeing the many years that we have ahead with Tanisha as part of our family, because honestly, she's been there as a family member since day one. To Tanisha
and the family.
We are so excited and proud of you guys. We can't wait to see what the future holds for you two and to watch you grow more together as a couple. It is our honor to welcome Quinn to the family.
I don't know what's after this, but goddamn do I want to dance.
Who do you love more than anyone in the world?